Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Caitlin and I like to film eyeshadow palette ranking and review videos, as well as the occasional other beauty content sprinkled in. So if any of those things are of interest to you, I highly recommend that you hit that subscribe button because I post 2 videos every single week. And for those of you that are not new here, my face is happy that you are seeing it again. And first, let me address that my nails look like garbage because my acrylic started like lifting in the corners and I hate that feeling. And yeah, so I just like ripped them off, which you're not supposed to do. Don't ever do that, but I did it and now my nails look like trash. So anyways, I need to grow them out and then I can go back to getting my acrylics put on. But anyways, really exciting video today. All of that aside the point, but really exciting video today. I am collaborating with Annette'S Makeup Corner, which is like unbelievable to me because I've watched Annette for years. I've been a huge fan of hers. And when she asked me if I would want to collab with her, I said absolutely yes. Is that even a question? So she is starting a series on her channel, I think, that's called like Makeup Should Be Fun. And it's more about just like using makeup, being creative, and not as much about like buying new stuff, trying new stuff, just like having a good time with your makeup, which I really love. For those of you that are new to my channel, I like to rank my eyeshadow palettes, both new and old palettes, because I don't want to feel like I can only use new stuff. I like to reach for old stuff in my collection. I like to combine new and old stuff in my collection, and I just like to have fun with makeup. So when she wanted to collab on this type of video, I said absolutely. I have plenty of stuff that I would love to use and film a video with. So anyways, if that sounds interesting to you, I definitely recommend that you give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not familiar with Annette's channel, I will link her video in the description box down below. Please make sure to go check out her video after this one. She does incredible like creative looks. She introduces me to a lot of the indie makeup brands that I like have come to love. So anyway, she's a good channel to watch if you're interested in indie makeup. She reviews a lot of indie makeup and I feel like she's one of the first ones that gets in on some of the up and coming brands. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into it. Here's what I wanted to play with today. And I had a vision. Here's my vision. So what I wanted to play with are the Chrome Addiction eye paints from Half Magic Beauty. I have the 4 matte colors. I think there's only 4 matte colors. So I have We Are Aliens, Wild Caught, Sky Juice, and Burn It Down. And so I feel like I'm going to do something with those. And then I wanted to combine it with my Blend Bunny Noctilucent highlighter palette. I've primarily just been using this on my eyes. Sorry, my allergies are terrible. But anyways, I had this vision, and part of this vision included using all 4 of the matte eye paints from Half Magic. And let me tell you all a funny story. I could not find this one in the shade Burn It Down. Could not find it to save my life. Like literally searched high and low in this little closet space. Searched, researched, and then I even checked my email because I started to believe that maybe I never purchased this because I could not find it. And guess what? I had used it recently and I forgot. And so I had it in one of the bins in my desk and I hadn't searched there because that's where, like, when I do makeup looks that I'm going to post on Instagram, I keep everything I used in a bin. So when I do the caption, it's all right there. Anyways, I didn't realize I had used it. So I don't know if that's that funny of a story. But anyways, what I'm thinking is kind of like, I want to do like a more circular and like less winged out look. So I'm thinking like the blue and green here, and then maybe the like pink and red here. I just want it to be like abstract. I just felt like this was the video for that. Now this could look really good. It could also look really bad. Not really sure how it's gonna go, but I just thought makeup should just be fun, right? Like we're just gonna have a good time. So that's what we're gonna do. I did prime my eyes with the About Face Shadow Fix Primer. And yeah, now I'm gonna figure out like what I wanna do. I think I'm gonna start with the blue one, Sky Juice, which is this like beautiful blue periwinkle color. And I need a mirror. I guess I'll just use this Noctilucent palette right here. And you can just go in with this applicator. It's actually really easy to use. So I'm just gonna take the edge of it I made like just like a little C shape. Okay, so that's just what I did for right now. And then I kind of want to take like a little brush to smudge it out like just a tiny bit. So I'm going to take, this is a, oh God, okay, I'm dropping stuff. All right, this is a Real Techniques brush. And what kind of Real Techniques? It's a shading brush. So what I kind of just want to do is, I don't want this to be like that perfect. So I'm just kind of smudging it a little bit. I think that's looking good. Okay, so I kind of want to take then this green shade, which is We Are Aliens. I think I said the first one was Sky Juice. Hopefully I mentioned that. And I think I just want to try and take this like around the outer edge. And I can clean this up with a brush and like a Q-tip if I need to. I think that's the secret. I've always been scared of doing these looks, but I kind of feel like the secret is just that people clean them up. I don't think it's that people get it like perfect on the first try. And I'm trying to decide if I want to bring this down all the way or if I kind of like it just like that. And I think I kind of like it just like that. Okay. Now, and I'm just going to do one eye because I don't want to do both eyes and like totally hate it. I kind of want to do one eye and then try and like match the other eye. So what I'm thinking on this side, or on this side, like on right here, like the inner portion, I'm gonna take this pink one, what is this? Wild Caught. And I'm picturing like a circle here. Oh gosh, okay, I got a little bit out of control. It's all good. But I kind of wanted to create like a blob situation. I don't know how to explain it without like doing it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that looks a little bit phallic, so let's just see if we can fix that. I mean, let's see. I have a Q-tip right here. Let's see if I can clean that up a little bit. Just like slightly less of a penis shape would be good, I'm thinking. Okay, that's better. That's more just like a blob. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, and I feel like it's the pink color, so I'm gonna go in with this red shade, which is Burn It Down. I know that because I just double checked if I even purchased this. I'm gonna take, this is a C1. This is one of the Cut Creaser by Milops brushes. And I'm just gonna take that brush and go like right off of the doe foot. And hopefully I'm not blocking this whole time, but I'm just trying to go around the pink. You know what, maybe that's cool. I don't know if that was cool. Looks like a little looks like a little alien guy, but anyways. I'm trying to decide how I feel about this like little situation here. I don't know that I hate the like one orange tail, because I think it's kind of cool that it goes into the green. Part of me is like, do I want like a little dollop of green like right in here? No, I don't know. I don't know. So what I want to do, trying to recreate this on the other is going to be a nightmare. So what I kind of want to do is just take on that same Real Techniques brush. I got a little bit of Sky Juice. I just want to clean this up down here slightly. I'm taking it slightly more over. Okay, so that's the gist of, I think, the like graphic part of the eye. I'm gonna add this Noctilucent palette now, and I kind of want to do a few different things. I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is a Sosu X Kaylee SK05 brush. I'm going to take the shade Apparition, which is the one that's like kind of a blue reflect, and I am going to spray my brush with some Fix Plus just so it sticks a little bit more. And I'm gonna put that right in here. That is pretty. I love this shade. Honestly, I love this whole little palette, but that shade in particular is very stunning. Okay, so I think that's part of it. And then I kind of just want to create like a little bit of a rainbow on my lid. So now I'm going to go in with Transient, which is the green reflect shade. And I'm going to take that a little bit over. Oh, so now I'm going in with the shade Phenomena, and I switched to a Morphe M124 brush. Feel like this might be too much, but do I want to add this like copper glitter? This is the glitter pill in, I think, Money Please from Have Magic Beauty. And I feel like I kind of do. I'm just adding it as like a liner, but also it's just glitter, so it's like, you can be kind of messy with it. This does not match my t-shirt at all, but it's okay. I mean, I don't know if that's actually doing anything, but I was gonna say I could use, this could just be a video where I use every single Have Magic Beauty thing that I own. This is the glitter pill in, what is this, Money something? Or no, that was Money Please. This is Microcosm. This one's so liquidy. Oh yeah, look at, oh gosh, that just adds so much sparkle. I think that's kind of the look. I don't know, it's a little bit different for me. I'm gonna try and do it on the other eye, do my base, and then I'll probably come back with the finished look unless I decide I want to do something on the lower lash line, but I'm kind of feeling like not anything on the lower lash line, but you'll see. In 1 second, you'll see. Okay, here is the finished look. If you say that these look like sperm now, I'm blocking you. I'm just kidding. They do. I realized that that in making them not look like penises, they now look like sperm. And I probably should have just like left it like just like the circle or oval and like not had them connected, but you know what? Whatever. I like the look, or I liked the look until I realized they look like sperm. But anyways, I did some things off camera and I realized I probably could have done my whole base makeup. Like, this is the theme of this video is just that makeup should be fun. Like, there was no reason for me to not do my base makeup. So I'll walk you through what I used. I don't know what you used. Let me know in the comments. But I put my Milk Hydro Grip primer because that's my favorite face primer, and then I did the Hourglass Ambient Soft Glow foundation. And if you're curious what shade I have, which I will say it's a little bit dark for, or it's like a little bit yellow for me, but I have shade 2.5, which is, I don't know how it's described, but yeah, it's like a touch, like it blends okay. It just, I think it's with my powder, it oxidizes a little bit because when I put it on, it looks really light. But anyways, it's not like the worst match. It matches all right. And then I did my Melt Santa Cruz bronzer. This is the second lightest shade. I got it because I felt like from the swatches in the pictures, the first shade looked way too warm and I like more of a cool tone. This is also very warm. So there you go. I'm not trying to review these products. I'm just letting you know. Anyways, and then the blush is the My Dream collection from Natasha Denona. It's the blush in that, which is just called Cream Blush, but it's that shade. And then for highlighter, I did use the Noctilucent palette. I used the shade Transient, which is the green one. And then I just brought that like up and over into the eye. And then I also took the blue shade, which is Apparition, and I covered where I had that blue because I just felt like I wanted more sparkle. So that's what I did. And then I took my Danessa Myricks Lilac Quartz Infinite Chrome Pencil. I put that in the waterline. I didn't want anything like too intense on the lower lash line because I don't have any shadow down here. Oh, one other thing I did. What is it? The shade Enlighten from the Noctilucent palette. I put that on the inner corner. But anyways, that's what I did. And then I'm pretty sure I showed you the glitter pill stuff. Yeah. And then my brows are different Benefit products. And then the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift is the gel. And then I set everything with my Gucci Beauty powder. And then on the lips, I have the, what is it? Oh gosh. It is also from Half Magic Beauty. It is the Sculptitude Lip Liner. The one side is Hot Potato. I did that on the outer. And then the other side is Ballerino. I did that in the middle. And then I topped it with the Mouth Cloud in Mr. Cheeky Pants and sprayed everything with my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. So that's everything. This video is not sponsored by Half Magic Beauty, even though that's a majority of the products I use. Although Half Magic Beauty, if you're watching and you want me to do a sponsored video, I would love to. I love your products. Also, launch more. Like, I want more stuff. I love Half Magic Beauty. Let me know if you all want a dedicated video, although that's low-key what this ended up being. But let me know if you want a dedicated video on Half Magic Beauty. I absolutely adore their lip products. I was going to say their mouth products. Their lip products. I have their studs that are like the spiky studs. I almost added them to this look, but I was like, might be a step too far, so I didn't do it. But I have more of the Chrome Addictions. I have some of the sparkly Chrome Addictions. Yeah, anyways, I got a lot of stuff of there. I got almost everything of theirs, pretty much. So let me know if you want a dedicated video on them. But back to this look. I am happy with it. Oh, I didn't tell you what lashes I have. I have the AF94 Lash 01 lashes. I like these because they're a clear band, so I felt like they blended a little bit better with this look. But yeah, overall, this look is giving me, and maybe it's because of the high ponytail, which is giving me like Lieutenant Uhura vibes from Star Trek. But anyways, I'm getting very much like In the Club in Star Trek, like space vibes from it. And I don't know, I really like it. I would do some things differently if I were to redo it, but there's so many people I follow who do like really cool graphic looks that I've always been like, oh, there's no way. And this look is not at that level, but I felt like I executed some of the techniques that I'm like, maybe I could do those looks. So now I feel a little bit more confident and wanting to try new things and just feel like excited about doing some different stuff with my makeup, which is always fun. Anyways, I just feel like I executed on some of the techniques that I think some of those looks require. So it has me really wanting to try some of those, which I would have never tried before because I always felt like too hard, I wouldn't be able to do it. So I just feel like reinvigorated and excited to play with my makeup. So this was really fun. I really enjoyed doing it. Let me know if you like this kind of video and you want me to just keep doing like stuff like this. I definitely can. I tried to do like looks where I'm like recreating somebody else's look. I try to do those on TikTok, and I have kind of like the green screen and sort of walk you through the process. So definitely follow me over there, Katelyn House Makeup, if you want to see me attempt some of these harder looks, because I think I will. But like I said before, Annette is starting like kind of a series on her channel where she is, you know, just making makeup fun and doing videos where she's just playing with stuff that she wants to play with. So you should definitely check her out if you have not already. If you're from Annette's channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy it here. If you like this kind of content, let me know, and I am happy to continue with this as well. But anyways, that is it for me today. I hope so much that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye!